Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will explore the newly introduced notifications report in TallyPrime Release 5.0. You will learn how to access this report, take action on notifications directly from it, and customize the notifications indicator. Additionally, you will learn about the different types of notifications for application and all your companies in TallyPrime. Let's begin. You can access the notifications report directly from the gateway of Tally. As you can see, TallyPrime 5.0 has introduced a notification bell icon right at the top next to the control buttons. Click the bell icon or press Ctrl plus Alt plus N to access the notifications report. Let us click the bell icon. Once you open the notifications report, you can see the list of notifications along with their date and time, activity, and description. You will notice that some notifications are labeled application, while others display the company name. Application level notifications notify about the activities related to the application, such as upgrade and licensing. Similarly, company-level notifications notify about the activities of the companies loaded in TallyPrime, such as GST status. When multiple companies are loaded in TallyPrime, the report displays company-level notifications for all the loaded companies. As you can see, the respective company names are listed alongside the notifications. Now, let's take action on a notification directly from the report. You can see that the notifications are in bold, which means that these are unread notifications yet to be opened. Press Enter on any notification and you will be taken to the activity screen directly from the notifications report. You can complete the necessary activity. Once the activity is completed, the notification disappears from the notifications report. If you open a notification but don't proceed with the associated activity, the notification remains visible in the notifications report. However, the notification appears in normal text and not bold as it is considered open and read. It remains in the notifications report until you perform the required activity. Now let us see how to configure the notifications indicator, the red dot on the bell icon. By default, a red dot appears on the bell icon to indicate new notifications. This dot disappears once you open the notification report to view the notifications. Open the notification report. As you can observe, the red dot disappears upon opening the report. However, you can customize the appearance of the red dot on the bell icon according to your preferences. Press F1. Settings. Display. Type or select Show Red Dot for and press Enter. Select the required option from the list of options. If you select any notifications, the red dot appears when any notifications are present in the report. They can be read or unread. If you select unread notifications, the red dot appears only when there are unread notifications present in the report. Let us select unread notifications. As you can see, the red dot reappears because you have unread notifications that require some action. This configuration is useful when you have viewed a notification but intend to act on it later. The red dot serves as a reminder for you to revisit the notifications report. Notifications in TallyPrime 5.0 provide real-time alerts through the red dot indicator on the bell icon making it easier for you to stay informed of application level or company level events anytime. Thank you. On any screen in Tally Prime, press Ctrl plus F1 to learn how to complete the task. You can also WhatsApp for assistance. Subscribe to the Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.